Hi everybody, we're doing something a little bit different today. We are cooking, we're in the kitchen and we are cooking today. So for those of you that have seen it, in February on the 7th, Saturday the 7th of February, we're having a menopause event. It's a full day event, but as a little treat for you, a little surprise, I have a special 47-page menu planner for you that is all based around nutrition that is great for the menopausal phase of our life. So it's great with the essential fatty acids that we need, very high antioxidants, lean protein, and all of the macronutrients that are really important as we're in this phase of our life. So today I thought we'd do a little bit of a cooking demonstration. So I'm going to make page 26 out of the booklet that I'm going to send you, and that is our burrito bowls. And so I'm going to make 5. The recipe is actually for 1. It's on page 26 when you get your menu planner. It's a whole week's worth of food laid out for you. Excellent for the festive season to keep you on track with your weight and with all the nutrition that you need to be strong, powerful, and happy during this season. So I'm going to do the burrito bowl and I'm going to pop them into jars, and I'm going to times the recipe by 5 because I'm making it for my daughters as well, and we can share this over the next couple of days for lunch. First, we're doing our quinoa. So I am multiplying it by 5. So I actually have, the recipe says 1/4 cup, but I've been boiling my water and I'm doing 1 1/4 cups of the quinoa in the boiling water. We're going to let that boil for about 12 minutes until the water's absorbed. Then we'll fluff it with a fork and we'll get on with the next step now. Now we're taking our lean chicken mince and we're going to just fry that in our fry pan over a medium-high heat until it's well cooked through, and then we'll season it with salt and pepper. Now for all of you professional cooks out there, that is not me. I'm a bit of an amateur, so no judgment please. We're just cooking our mince through. This is a really nutritious lunch. And it's easy to store in the fridge for a few days. So the quinoa is all fluffy and our ground chicken. Now we are just chopping up all of our salad that's going to go into our burrito bowl. So I have avocado, spinach, tomato, I have black beans as well. Just dicing up the avocado. It's just, I don't know about you, but it's so frustrating having to buy avocado so far away from when you actually want to eat it, just to get one that you can cut. It's either too ripe or not ripe enough. Most people will be horrified watching me cut it like this, I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm making enough for my daughters, so I'm timesing my recipe by 5. So I've got 2.5 avocados in there. Up our spinach now. Love spinach, great source of nutrients. Two and a half tomatoes when you're making it for 5 people. Our vegetables are done, so we have spinach, tomatoes, we have black beans, and we also have our avocado. And I'm just grabbed a spicy jar of salsa as well, and we're going to start to put it all together soon. Now you just need a lime, and just to soften it a little bit so we can get some nice juice out of it. And we're going to squeeze that as well. Okay, now we're going to assemble it all together. So I've got our little mason jar here. The reason why we use this is because once it's all ready, we just shake it and then dump it in a bowl, and then we're ready to eat. So first we're going to put the avocado on the bottom. Some avocado on the bottom. Then we've got a squeeze of lime juice. Might just put a bit more avocado. Nice. Then we're using our salsa. probably 2 tablespoons. Nice and spicy. Then we're putting our tomatoes. Actually, no, we're not. Then we're using our quinoa. And then our ground chicken. About 113 grams. This is looking delicious already. Then we're putting our tomatoes. It's about half a tomato in each jar. And we've got spinach. Finishing with our black beans. Very well balanced Mediterranean style diet, which is perfect for perimenopause. And that is lunch prep.